Hello friends, this is Vidhi and today I'm going to create a circular ribbon design. For that, I'll select an ellipse tool, hold control and draw a circle like this. Then select freehand tool, click on center of this circle, hold control and draw a straight line here. Then select this line, single click, place the center point at the center of this circle. Hold control and rotate to 15 degree. Press right click to create a copy. Now I'll select 3-point curve tool. 3-point curve. Click on this line. Drag it like this. I'll click on perpendicular line here. Perpendicular. Adjust the curve and leave it. Then select shape tool and adjust the curve like this. Change the shape of this curve. I'll adjust it like this. See like this. Then I'll select smart fill tool and fill color here. Now I'll delete this curve and change the color of this object. Select this object, click on interactive fill tool, drag from here to here and select this and change color from here, or you can also give color from here. I'll give back black color to this and this blue color. Okay, and select this, click on interactive fill tool, click on smooth blending. Now select this object, click on contour outside. This is 0.6 inch offset. I'll change it in millimeters. Click on this page and select unit millimeters here. And now I'll select this. Click on contour. This is 1.524 millimeter offset. And decrease it 1 point. I'll make it 1 mm offset. Now right click on this contour object, drag contour group apart, select this, remove fill, and now I'll select smart fill tool and fill color here, and now I'll delete this object. This is not required now. Select this object and click on interactive fill tool, drag it like this. I'll give yellow color here so yellow color, and double click here to create one more point and give pale yellow color here. Now I'll select all this, group it, remove outline, single click and place the center point at the center of the circle. Hold control and rotate to 15 degree. Then I'll press right click to create a copy and press Ctrl R to repeat the same step. Okay. Now I'll select, now these lines are not required now. I'll delete it. Now I'll select this circle, hold shift and decrease the size and press right click to create a copy. And now I'll select this circle, hold shift and select the outer circle and click on trim here. When you click on trim, your circle will not get deleted and you will get one more object like this here. I'll give color to this object. I'll give deep navy blue color to this. Sorry. I'll give deep navy blue color to this object, and I'll give yellow to pale yellow to yellow color to this circle. Pale yellow to yellow and click on elliptical fountain fill. I'll reverse it. Okay. Now, now I'll select 3-point ellipse tool. Click on quadrant here or node. Click on node here. Drag it and click on this node, this quadrant. Hold control and click here. You'll get a circle here. Now I will decrease this size. Hold shift and decrease the size of this circle. Create a copy of this circle. Hold shift and decrease the size and press right click to create a copy. Then select this circle, outer circle, and give deep yellow color to this and select the inner circle and give yellow color to this. Now I'll select outer circle, remove outline of this, then go to bitmap, convert to bitmap here. If you want CMYK, then click on CMYK or RGB. I'll make it RGB and click on OK. Now again go to bitmap, blur, Gaussian blur, increase the radius here. I'll keep it 19 pixels and click on OK. Okay. Now select this inner circle, remove outline of this. Now select both these circles, both these objects. Click on group here, single click and place this center point at the center of this circle. Now you hold control and rotate to 15-degree, then press right click to create a copy, then press Ctrl R to repeat same step. Okay. Now you select all, group it and remove outline of this. This is our design. Okay. And if you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in a comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.